One of these was yellow. I think this is supposed to be yellow. Got it. Nope, that's... Yeah, I guess that's the green. That's the green. This doesn't look too bad. Colors are mixing nice. Okay. And yeah, this doesn't look too bad at all. Where's that third thing? Okay, there. Take that off. This is the way that they
How does it look so far?
use
If you
the
hold it.
tie-dye. Okay, where was that blue? Okay, let's put some of that blue here. And then let's get some of this green. That's out of the way. Green. More green right there.
Do you want to hold it up and see what it looks like so far? So maybe grab some ends. That looks good.
Not too bad. Not too bad. Here's the green. Some more green here. Green and the blue. And then around here, around the edge of it here with this.
Wow.
Okay, so our second attempt worked out different. That first socks, that the material sort of absorbed the dye. It was a different kind of material. This is more of a thinner. Let's see, the label's in here someplace. There it is. This is just a machine wash. So we're gonna let this dry.
We should probably wash it.
That dye might run into other things, so maybe wash it by itself.
Mm-hmm.
So the socks in this will go in and get washed. 6 to 8 hours, they're saying. But so that's our initial excursion into the ancient art. And back then they were still building the pyramids when they were tie-dyeing shirts, so it was kind of a different era. This doesn't look too... I think it would be a different... So one of the things we've learned is to have your colors complement each other. And so if we added the other colors here, threw in some red or something, I don't think in this case that it would have helped out that much. So, and after 2 projects, we still got plenty of dye left. So these items, they sat there for quite a while, still in the package, and finally decided to test them out and see what they look like. So I don't see another red cap here. I'm sure it's here someplace.
Catch you in the next one.